And China's foreign direct investment grew by a slower rate in 2015, but there was a rapid change in the investment mix. Now, we saw service investments far outpacing that of manufacturing. In support of this, the world's biggest coffee chain, Starbucks, is ramping up its China expansion with 500 new stores planned per year. Now, Cheng Lei spoke to the company's CEO, Howard Schultz, and asked him why he wasn't phased about the slowdown.
We now have 2,000 stores with over 30,000 people who work for the company. We're going to open up 500 stores a year, at least for the next 5 years. We don't break out specifically how much money that means, but we're investing more in China in terms of this region than any other place in the world today. We have earmarked the growth and development for China as our #1 growth opportunity. And we just, as you know, this past quarter created an Alibaba-Starbucks relationship in which we're now socially gifting Starbucks coffee and products. As you know, I was fortunate enough to be part of the CEO Summit in Seattle when President Xi was there. And I sat with Pony Ma and Jack Ma and many others and spoke about what we're trying to do here.
What's 2016 going to be like? After your stock price went up 50% last year, a lot of analysts are very bullish on the stock, amps up the pressure.
Well, I don't think it's possible to consistently have a 50% uptick in your stock price every year. Having said that, Starbucks' best days are in front of us. These are still early days. I gave a speech recently and I said if Starbucks was a 20-chapter book, maybe we're in chapter 4 or 5. But what the stock is going to do is separate from our business. We got to take care of our people and our customers. Stock will take care of itself. But I'm very optimistic about our share price and the value that we can create long term for our shareholders.
Even though 2016 for the global economy is forecast to be quite dull.
That's no different in many ways than calendar 15. And we'll release our earnings on the 21st of January, which will be the important holiday quarter. We've seen major cyclical changes in economies and stock markets many, many times. And what we have to do every day is do the things that we can control. Elevate our people, take care of them with great respect and dignity, exceed the expectations of our customers.
Teavana, Roastery, more mobile, Starbucks Express.
Yeah.
Tell us about some of these initiatives.
Great companies have to continue to innovate and in many ways push for self-renewal. We got to be as curious as possible to see around corners and make big bets. The Roastery, of all the things we've done over the last, say, 10 years, is a signature development in terms of the company. Design, experience, the mobile platform that we've developed. We are the leading company in the U.S. in terms of mobile payment transactions for any bricks and mortar company. So I think innovation and what we're doing in terms of new stores, the Roastery, our mobile ecosystem, these are all things that we have to do to create value as well as an emotional attachment with our customers.